Into the prevailing wind, this should be known as the Beast of Sutherland. At 556 yards, it's head down and keep hitting. It's bunkered superbly well. 3 at the left are 275 yards to carry, 2 at the right are 297 and 309 to reach respectively. In my opinion, it's the finest driving hole on the golf course. Should you find the fairway, weather permitting, you have a choice: play for position or have a crack at the green. The lone bunker right, 70 paces from the green's edge, is clever. It's telling you to go left, and when you see the shape of the green you can see why. It's designed to receive a shot from the left centre. A tier running up the front right and back middle will help you when the pin is on the right. A tiny bunker comes into play when the hole is cut middle to back left. A wonderful par 5, and a 5 is gratefully accepted.